Hello and welcome to today's video where we're looking at the GEEK fast charge USB micro 5-pin cable, which is available from Poundland for the amazing price of £2. But I've managed to get the brown version of this for £1. It just depends where you go and where they're getting rid of stock. And if we open this, so we have a quick look at the cable, and get the picture off. It's not coming off. So basically you have a nothing special charging cable with some kind of fake lever around the cable. Basically, if you have a look at this, if you open one up, it's basically the same one as the selling Poundland, basic white version, but all they've done is put some kind of fake plastic around it, what looks like leather, and it's stitched up. But it has better end connectors, but the problem with this is these bend, and the little pins that stick out, these seem to go in and become useless after a while, so I'll go through about 6 or 7 of these a year. I've never actually managed to get a good one that's lasted long. No matter what kind of cable I purchase or get with a camera phone, they always seem to end up breaking in the same way. They're good while they last, but if you need someone quick, they're available from Poundland for £2. And check back soon for more videos.